So what is NOLA side hustle? Well, what is a side hustle? It's like a second job or side job to earn extra income. Hi, my name is Philip Chin, and I'm the owner of NOLA Side Hustle. And this side hustle helps go-getters and seniors with their computers. That is computer repair, virus removal, networking, internet, modem and Wi-Fi setup and troubleshooting, data backup for hurricane preparedness, hard drive to SSD transfer for faster speeds, and software and Windows operating system support. As for me personally, I was born and raised in New Orleans and have a bachelor's and master's in mechanical engineering from Tulane University. I've worked on robotics, control systems, and have a couple of patents on robotic tactile sensors. And just like many New Orleanians, I've had to leave Louisiana to find work. I've had to leave for Georgia and work for GE for a little while, and then moved to California to work for HP and Visa, where I was a lead web developer for the corporate risk division. I am also a Microsoft.NET, C# and SQL Server software developer and build small websites and e-commerce sites. Throughout my career, I have helped friends and family and small businesses with their computer, both hardware and software. Likewise, NOLA Side Hustle is to help individuals, go-getters, mom and pops with their computer business needs, and just as important, seniors. So while I have fixed and built many PC computers, like this one, what makes me different from other PC repair shops is that I have worked with software, both business software, graphic design software, and even write software for a living. In other words, my knowledge and experience in software can save you time in your daily computer tasks, and this can mean minutes to hours to even days saved. I also build custom computers, here again, for those who don't want their computers displaying ads or are constantly asking them to install software that the customer does not want or need. In other words, those bargain computer deals and free software and free games have some catch, as those big box stores and big computer makers got to make their money somehow, some way. Well, that's a little bit about me and how I can help you with your computer hardware and also software, like saving time and sometimes lots of time in your day-to-day computer tasks. So if you have any questions on my computer services, please contact me. Thanks so much for visiting NOLA Side Hustle.